Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're gonna get straight into it. Hit that like and subscribe. Today I got some 18-inch wheels on the car. I should get outside and show you guys the wheels. They're the zr1 wheels, or like the zr1 stock style wheels, but an 18-inch, so they are reps, but it's kind of what fit on the car at the moment. I didn't want to go the D5 4 stars again like I had on my red Z06. I just low-key wanted a different look. But honestly, I don't know about these wheels. I might have to go back to the D5s, but we're gonna try to do some pulls today. I haven't been able to hook in this car in second gear, so that's kind of the goal today. It wasn't hooking earlier, tried some pulls the other day, but I thought I'd make a video. So do some pulls, second gear hits, third gear it'll probably hook. But do some second gear pulls, and we're gonna see if this thing hooks or not. Gotta get some air in the tire too. Also, the car's drivability has been kind of iffy. I don't know. Maybe it's because of the 5-inch intake. It might need a retune, so that is also something I want to do. But another POV drive, another POV drive. Can't really go wrong with it, hopefully. Don't know if I'll be able to do that, I'm gonna roll into it. But yeah, these are the wheels. Like I said, so these are the stock 19-inch fronts. I used to have 20s in the back with an R888, but now it is a 18 by 12 with a 345 35 18 in the back, Toyo RR. And I don't know, man. I used to have ET Street R's in my red Z06, which made about mid 900 horsepower, and it used to hook in second gear decently well. This car makes, you know, probably 800 horsepower on a cooler day, like high 700s on a hotter day, and it hasn't been hooking. So I don't know, it's not that fast, so that's why I'm like, yeah, I gotta go to the office and get this signed off, notarized for my used car dealer. I've been lacking on it. Yeah, let's try it. Try a little pull right here. Shifted about like 6K RPMs. Damn, there's a lag in the shift. I no lift shifted, but there was like a slight little lag in the shift. Like, it's not fully hooking in second. It gets like just a little squirrely, but I mean, I guess it's close enough. I'm getting used to it again now. I've done about like 5-6 pulls in the past, like today and tomorrow, today and yesterday combined. So I'm gonna just make a UE and turn around here. But I think I'm definitely gonna go back to the ET Street R's just because they hooked a little better. I don't know, man. Everybody swears by the Toyo RRs. They are wider, because I think the ET Street R is either a 325 or a 335, and these are 345s. So they have more width and the same amount of sidewall as the ET Street R, but I don't know. Of course, we got to do a first gear pull. guys can tell on the camera, like the car gets a little, but it's getting better though. And that's probably because it's making less power now, because I've probably done like, you know, 6 back-to-back pulls in second gear. And I'm not like going on the top of fourth. Like, there's no point of going to the top of fourth. I know the car hooks after second gear. It's just, it's doing the test in the second gear. And the tires are like at 16, 17 PSI, so it's not a lot. I don't roll into it, kind of goes all over the place. But maybe you guys have better tips for me, man. So the conclusion is, if I roll into the pedal in second gear, it'll get just a little bit sideways, not too much. But if I just like press it right away, you know, stomp on the pedal, it gets squirrely. And keep in mind, this is with traction control on. In my red car, I used to race with traction control off, and it hooked, you know, dead hooked. So that's where I'm struggling right now. Whew. Damn, she looks nice, man. C7 zr1. When this car was parked for the few months, I almost forgot I had it, man, but whatever. You guys seen the post, but I'm gonna go get this signed off right here real quick, and then we'll be right back. All right, y'all, it is rush hour now, so I'm about to head home.